Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy tokens on SunPump.meme. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so first of all I'm going to go to SunPump.meme /home. And now from here you want to connect your wallet here. So what I'm going to do is disconnect here. So you'll be brought to a page like this, and then you want to go ahead and click on connect wallet. And then it will go ahead and connect. If it doesn't connect, you'll have a little pop-up somewhere, and then you can connect. Once you connected, your address will be on the top right hand corner like so. And now from there you can start searching for all the different tokens. So you can search by the launch time when the token was last launched, so it'll be in ascending order. So this token here was the most recent token launched, followed by this one and the third, fourth, etc, etc. But we can change the launch time to trading volume, market cap, 24-hour price increase. So if I go ahead and do the 24-hour price increase, you can see all the biggest rises, and it's pretty incredible if you think about it. Like this Bulls one here is up 262,000%. This one's up 20,000%, etc. So if you want to buy into any one of these, obviously do your homework on which token or coin you want to buy. But just purely for demonstration purposes, if I want to go ahead and buy this Bulls token, so I want to click into it, and then from here you've got a buy button. Make sure that's on buy, and then enter the amount of TRX. So at the moment there's a balance of 19 here. So if I want to go ahead and buy 19, I'll go ahead put 19 in, and then I'm going to click trade. But I don't want to do that. I don't want to buy this because it looks like it's already had its run. But for demonstration purposes, I'll just put in one, and I'll get no. So yeah, I'm going to keep that as one. I'm going to click trade. And then a little pop-up will come up like this, and then you want to click on sign. So you want to sign this. So I'll go ahead and click on sign. And then once you've done that, it will say transaction was successfully submitted on chain. Then you want to click confirm, and you're done.